Merry Christmas, YouTube! Today, somebody gifted me a brand new pair of AirPods Pro. I am really looking forward to using these as they are rated really high as a product and their noise cancellation and all of its features. Without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. And now, let's start unboxing. Alright, here's our design by Apple in California. Here's some documentation. No Apple stickers included. Here are the AirPods Pro themselves. We'll put that off to the side for a sec. What else is in the box? USB-C to Lightning cable. And here are the ear tips. And as far as I'm concerned, that is pretty much it with the box. Put that off to the side. And here are the ear tips, silicone ear tips. There we go. Here is small and here is large. Also shown right here, SL. I'll just put that away for now. Put that in the box. Alright, let's check out this charging cable. Okay, there's our cable. Let's throw that there for now. Alright, put those down. And that is basically it with the unboxing. Now, let's set them up. Alright, setup time. And now let's check it out. AirPods Pro case opens. Alright, let's connect. Media control, press once on either AirPod to play, pause, twice to skip forward, and 3 times to skip backward. Noise control, press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Control center, press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation and transparency. Announce messages, I'm not going to do it for now. And there we go. Here are my AirPods Pro. Just putting these on, noise cancellation is immediately on and it sounds amazing. I'll just set it to off for now. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube, and Merry Christmas again. Peace.